This is the playing 11 for today's match. Both teams are looking balanced and we can expect a cracker of a match today.
Everyone, to this wonderful venue, we have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in.
Pacer has been brought into the attack.
Set to go for the first ball of the innings.
Well played for a single. Shot! He heaves that away for a boundary. Excellent batting.
Beautiful bowling. Connected well, but straight to the fielder. Good effort by the field.
Drilled. Impeccable timing and placement as the ball rockets along the turf to the boundary.
Good placement by the batsman. He should be looking for some runs here.
Excellent throw. Right at the top of the stumps. Stunning catch. Perfect breakthrough at this.
The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough.
Such a waste of a wicket. He would be kicking himself for this.
They wanted to hit that ball. 4 runs, plays into the gap fabulously.
Nicely played for a single. He knocked this one. It's been a wonderful 50. A raise of the bat from the...
Superb delivery. It is something else. Wonderful to see them run like that.
Placed into the gap nicely. Should look for some runs here.
Yeah, that's very close, very close.
Terrific stuff. The fielding side looks overjoyed by the breakthrough.
A long walk back to the pavilion. Doesn't look happy at all. Oh, he's lost that one. That's huge. Space on the ball.
That's high and handsome. Magnificent shot. Into the crowd for a 6. Shot. That will go for a boundary. Loose deliveries get no respect from this man.
Well, that's a massive six. Made a cracking sound at the bat. He looks in good touch.
Shot! He heaves that away for a boundary. Excellent batting. Whoa! Six! And that ball has taken an eternity. Half century for this man. Well appreciated by the teammates and crowd. Clean as a whistle.
Bang! That's powerfully struck by the batsman for a maximum.
That was a glorious shot. Beautifully played for 4 runs. Looking all set for today's encounter, and the crowd cheering in joy. Pacer has been brought into the attack.
Pacer's first ball.
Oh, it'll definitely hurt. It was a difficult one to play.
But that's going to be for all right. Sweet timing.
Got him! That was a...
The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough.
Bowler would be pleased to see the back of this batter.
Pleasing to the eye. Found the gap beautifully, and that races away to the boundary again. Carved away through the gap for 4. That is smart batting.
Drilled. Impeccable timing and placement as the ball rockets along the turf to the boundary. There was an edge, but the batter will get a bonus boundary here. Caught! He judged the catch. Terrific stuff. The fielding side looks overjoyed by the breakthrough.
A long walk back to the pavilion. Doesn't look happy at all.
That's a sharp catch. He's picked that well. Deposited into the stands for a maximum. Absolutely glorious. He will get 4 for it. Got him. Absolute beauty of a catch.
The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. Yeah, looked like he was a bit...
This will run away for a boundary. Pick the gap beautifully. Monstrous hit into the crowd for a maximum. Ball is in the air. Oh, what a catch! Apt judgment. Terrific stuff. The fielding side looks overjoyed by the breakthrough.
A long walk back to the pavilion, doesn't look happy at all. This could well be the... Oh, that's a good connection for the batsman. That's what you call a long-distance deposit. Now that looks handsome. It certainly is a huge six.
Whoa! Six! And that ball has taken an eternity to come down. Clean as a whistle.
Oh, he's clubbed that for a six. That's a great hit.
It's been hammered away into the crowd for a maximum. That made a cracking sound from the bat. That looks close. That's worth a shout.
The umpire thinks otherwise. The bowler likes that umpires goes upstairs.
Right, checking for a no ball. Fair delivery. No problem. Reaching outside. Impact in line. Not hitting.
High on the bat, and it's a good wicket for the ball.
Terrific stuff. The fielding side looks overjoyed by the breakthrough.
Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. They wanted to hit that. Miss time should be taken. And
Terrific stuff. The fielding side looks overjoyed by the breakthrough.
looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. That was some...
Oh, he's got him on.
ecstatic after that breakthrough.
Such a waste of a wicket. He would be kicking himself for this.
He knew it from the moment.
Superb delivery. Couldn't do much with that. Batter lost his concentration there.
Good shot. Nicely placed in the gap. The batsman should be looking for two here.
Gone. Nicely taken. Got the wicket he wanted.